Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2018 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Starting off on the outside of the boat, we've got the blue hull color with the white undertone, white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. Now let's transition to the inside of the boat. So here on the swim platform of the 270 Sun Deck, I do want to display that you have a full walk across swim platform. It's easy to get to both sides. This boat is powered with a Mercury 300 horsepower L6 supercharged Verado engine. Here at the swim platform, you've got two aft-facing sun pads with adjustable seats for lumbar support. You also have dedicated storage, garage storage, beneath both of these seats. That's very deep and extends further aft. You have two cup holders and a 12-volt power source to the port side. Over here to starboard, we have a freshwater shower, a Rockford Fosgate stereo remote, dedicated cooler storage, with an integrated cooler rather, entering the cockpit. There's a transom door to keep children or dogs into the cockpit safely. Entering the cockpit, you have a dock boarding step with a non-skid surface right here. Helps getting in and out of the boat easier. Here in the cockpit, we've got 5 cup holders and 2 speakers. Tremendous amounts of storage beneath the L-shaped seating. Batteries are housed beneath the stern seat. You have a dedicated igloo cooler that's stored to the starboard side, and ample amounts of storage to the port side. There's also a bracket for a picnic table, in addition to one that's mounted in the bow. In the middle of the deck in the cockpit, there's deck storage, lots of room for storing life jackets or water toys. The backrests on both of the helm seat and the passenger seat move fore and aft, so your driver and your observer can have a really nice socializing area. This has the Watersports Tower with the integrated bimini top. This tower does release and fold down forward. We've got additional speakers in front of the driver's side and passenger side. You do have a head on board this boat. This is a pump out porta potty. There's also a sink on board as well with a porthole. On the port side console, we've got lockable glove storage for valuables. Here at the helm, both of these seats have a flip up thigh rise bolster, and the seats move forward and aft. We've got the Rockford Fosgate stereo remote here at the helm, full instrumentation from Sea Ray. There's lockable storage on the starboard side console, and you do have a block-off door where you're running on those chilly days. Moving forward to the bow, more dedicated deck storage. Really comfortable seating. Lots of lounge space in the 270 Sun Deck with adjustable armrests. Really high-end upholstery from Sea Ray. Cup holders, courtesy lights, an additional bracket mount for the picnic table. You do have an additional freshwater sprayer at the bow. And the boat is equipped with an anchor windlass. Definitely aren't short on storage in the 270 Sun Deck. Ultimately, it is an outstanding family boat, entertaining boat, yacht certified, so you can house and accommodate as many guests as you possibly can. I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 or visit us online at marinemax.com. Thank you.